What? You trained me.
Don't know the power of the dark side.
You freaking turned me. Before this, I was just a happy clown, and I'd get drunk before the show. Take your inhaler, Vader. Yeah, it is right over there.
What do you look like when you're not Darth Vader?
I don't know
Oh. Well, I can see why you are hiding behind a mask here. Travis.
Turn around.
What are you doing? I think your Vader hat's backwards there.
No, put this under there and then pull off your helmet.
So that's who was under there.
I'm getting you one. 10 minutes of the video was this chick making breakfast. Like, she was making her breakfast, and she ate it. It just took like 15 minutes. Are you recording? And then...
No!
Don't make me destroy you.
Like, it...